Hey, this is Eric Stark with Viasat Business Broadband, and this is another episode of 2 Questions in 2 Minutes. All right, let's go. First question this week is, how quickly does it take to install? This is one of the best things I think about our service. We install really quick. We have a network of installers that do hundreds of installations every day across the United States in all 50 states, and we can generally install in about 3 to 5 business days. So think what that means for you. Think what that means for your customers. Oftentimes, when we first hear from partners, the first time they knock on our door for satellite internet is when they have a customer who has made a mistake, is opening a store, they don't have the internet that they need, maybe they sold cable and it fell out and they're in a jam. That's when we get the call, and that's when we can help. We can get those services installed quick. And don't forget, when we install quick, that means we bill quick, that means we pay quick. That's fast cash for you. What partner doesn't like that? That's question number 1. Question number 2 this week, what about installation? What do our customers have to install? What's the hardware that they need to deal with? Well, the good news is your customers don't need to install anything. We take care of all of that for you. Here's what we do. We take a dish and we either attach it to a roof or to a wall or to a pole. In fact, if you look right out behind me there, you see that dish, it's attached to a pole. That's exactly the kind of way that we do it. And the dishes are about that big, about 2.5 feet long, not real big, massive dish like you or your customers may think. So we attach it to a roof, a dish, or a pole. If your customers don't want it to be attached anywhere, we can put it onto a sled and weigh that down with cinder blocks so that it doesn't put any holes in roofs or walls or anything like that. And then we run cable from about 150 feet into our modem. And that's it. It's real simple. We take care of all the installation for you. It generally takes about 2 to 3, maybe 4 hours at most. And just like that, you are up and running